Finally, we have the official pricing and release window for DJI's next-generation FPV drone, the DJI Avata 360. US buyers, get ready. The base model starts at $426, while the Fly More combo comes in at $999. And yes, we've got our first glimpse at the retail box, confirming that DJI is gearing up for a China-centric launch in March 2026. The FCC filings reveal a 38.67 watt-hours battery, giving the Avata 360 about a 22% increase in energy compared to the Avata 2. This isn't just any FPV drone. The Avata 360 features 360-degree video capture, letting you record immersive footage like never before. It's packing dual 1.1-inch sensors, probably similar to the DJI Osmo 360, giving creators incredible clarity and flexibility whether you're shooting cinematic 360 videos or flying it as a normal FPV drone. Here's where it gets really cool. With the touch of a button, the 360 camera flips to a frontal view, right side up, letting you fly it just like a regular DJI drone, no special tricks required. So, whether you're capturing full 360-degree panoramas or zipping around in FPV mode, the Avata 360 adapts seamlessly to your shooting style. Despite all these features, DJI is keeping it ultra-light, with the Avata 360 tipped to weigh under 250 grams. That's impressive for a drone capable of both FPV flight and full 360 video capture, making it more portable and easy to fly in more locations without worrying about regulations. Early leaks also hint at a slick, compact design that retains DJI's signature build quality, meaning this drone is as durable as it is capable. The Avata 360 is clearly aimed at taking on competitors like the anti-gravity A1 drone, offering a combination of FPV fun and immersive video capabilities that's hard to match. With the rumored launch in March 2026, DJI will likely have a few months of exclusivity in this unique 360 FPV category, giving creators plenty of time to experiment before others catch up. That's it for today's update on the DJI Avata 360. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone news and leaks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.